G'day everyone, it's Zed from BPW. Today we're going to show you how to fit a tyre to our new Beadlock wheel. First step, we need to make sure that we put plenty of soap on the bead of the tyre. Well, this is normally going to get done at a tyre shop, I suppose, but if you're at home, this is how you would get it started. Once again, more soap. All right, so initially you need to make sure that your bead is popped under the lip, ready for the ring to go on. Put your ring on, use the supplied washers. It's critical to use anti-seize compound on your bolts, stop any stress. Allow them to go in easily without galling. Don't have to cake it on, but you have enough there to lubricate your thread. Okay, so just wind your bolts in by hand all the way around until you get as much nip on them you can with your fingers. We need to try and get the beadlock ring pulled down evenly. Okay, so first step is 50 inch-pound, and you go in a crisscross position or crisscross pattern. No need to go straight to the torque setting, just nip them down. Okay, just work it down evenly. Use up the spare thread before you start to get any tension. Okay, so we'll work the bolts down evenly. Now we're ready to start getting some tension on them. We're at 50 inch-pounds for the first setting. Okay, so even though we've only pulled it down to 50 inch-pounds, you can see that we've already started to clamp on the bead of the wheel, and there's very little gap already, and we haven't even gone down to the final torque setting. Okay, so even though we're at 50 inch-pound and we've gone around twice, we're still getting more out of the bolts because it's slowly clamping and still giving us movement. So I'd like to go around probably 2 or 3 times. As long as you're getting more movement on your tension wrench before it clicks, keep going until it doesn't rotate any further, then you can step up to the next tension. Okay, we're at 100 inch-pound now, same process again, working the crisscross. Okay, we're ready for the next torque setting, and we're at 150 inch-pounds. Doesn't have to be in any particular sequence. As long as you're working in a crisscross pattern, that's all that matters, that make sure that you're pulling it down evenly. Okay, as you can see, we've pretty much pulled it up flush. Now we're just starting to stretch the bolt a little bit, but the clamping is pretty much taken care of. Okay, so next step is 175 inch-pound, and same routine, crisscross pattern. Okay, we're at the last torque setting, 221 inch-pound, same deal, crisscross pattern. Okay, so we're done, all torqued up. All you need to do is basically put your air in. If you have trouble with air escaping out the back without the wheel, without the tyre popping onto the bead, pull your valve core out and that will get some air in quicker to overcome what's leaking. If you want to have a look at the full range of our wheels, jump on bpw.com.au.